All right, stopping point for today. Bench is still a mess, so I'm not close to testing anything right now. But I do have the deck hooked back up. Of course, power supply's hooked up. Got a little trickle charger on the cat bank. I've got all the grounds ran, and I ran out of wire. And you know, this is going to bother me. I'll probably wind up replacing it because this one's an oddball wire. All the rest of them's Royal Excelene except for this one. So I probably will wind up swapping it out. Matter of fact, I've got one right here. So yeah, I'll definitely be swapping that one out right here shortly. So I got two more powers. You know, I'm gonna pull from about here. Yeah, I think about right here, and then one from at the very bottom. And be 6 2-aughts, 6 2-aught powers, and 6 2-aught grounds going to the distribution blocks, and then we'll be able to power just about anything. You know, up to about, so this cat bank's probably good up to about 50, 60,000 watts with about a 1 volt drop or so, if I remember right. At 80,000 watts, it dropped about 1.5 volts, I believe. So, yeah, so we should be able to test these 30K amps, 20K amps and stuff with a minimal voltage drop. So, yeah, that's where we're at today. I like these Ilk custom bars. They're going to make life so much easier. I ordered some insulated wire ferrules. I do have these wire ferrules, and they do a good job, but the insulated wire ferrules, they just look better. Got those on the way, so you know, to be able to stick them in, tighten it down, hook the amps up, you know, have wire ferrule on either end of the wire, and make life simpler going forward. All right, that's about it.